शब्द प्रयोग होता है, अभय बाबू। और
So today is the
उन्होंने भक्ति
so today is the disappearance of three great Mahabhagavats,
दीक्षा, हरिनाम दीक्षा आदि ग्रहण किया।
and I'm going to speak about Srila Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj. He took diksha from Srila Bhaktisiddhanta
बड़े
Prabhupada,
बिजनेसमैन भी थे,
and he was a great businessman.
उनकी एक जीवन कथा पृथ्वी में जो वर्ल्ड फेमस जो कवि पोइट,
So the great poet famous in all the earth called Rabindranath Tagore.
ठाकुर, इंग्लिश में टैगोर कहते हैं,
In English they call Tagore, but actually
हम लोग ठाकुर कहते
we
हैं,
say
हम लोग क्या कहते हैं?
Rabindranath Tagore actually.
टैगोर।
But the English people they call Rabindranath Tagore, but actually it's Thakur.
ग्रंथ आदि लिखा,
So he wrote so many books,
नोबेल पुरस्कार प्राप्ति हुई।
and he got the Nobel Prize because of his literature.
एक बार
So once
कलकत्ता में
in Calcutta,
ये विशेष धर्म सभा हुई।
there was a special Dharma Sabha,
उस धर्म सभा में
like a religious
बड़े-बड़े
assembly,
विद्वान लोग भी उपस्थित हुए।
and great scholar people they were there
उस बड़े सभा में अनेक
in
जो
this
है
great religious assembly present.
गण्यमान्य व्यक्ति, गण्यमान्य समझते हो
So there are many
क्या है? मोस्ट रेस्पेक्टेबल पर्सन,
The most respect-
गण्यमान्य व्यक्ति।
Gannamana Bhakti means those most respectable persons.
रिकॉर्ड है कि नहीं? कौन ट्रांसलेट कर रहे
Are you recording? Who is translating?
हैं? You listen? अनेक जो है रेस्पेक्टेबल पर्सन,
So many respectable persons, this is called Gannamana Bhakti means respectable persons, they are also present in that religious assembly.
और उस समय बड़े-बड़े विद्वान लोग
And
सभी ने भाषण दिया।
many scholar people, they were in this religious assembly and they gave a place in his assembly to Srila Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj.
सभापतित्व कर रहे थे रविन्द्रनाथ टैगोर।
Actually, they were talking about Rabindranath Tagore in that assembly
विश्व नोबेल माने वर्ल्ड,
because he won this Nobel Prize of Literature,
इसलिए उनको भी
So
सभापतित्व पद दिया गया था।
he was given this place of the Rabindranath Tagore. He was like the president of the assembly, like he was the director, like manager of the assembly. He was the leading the assembly.
अभय चरण दे,
So Abhay Charan De, Swami Maharaj, before his family name was Abhay Charan De.
उन्होंने भी
So
वक्तृत्व रखा,
he was also there.
भाषण दिया।
He was also given a place at this assembly headed by Rabindranath Tagore. So when they listened to him speak, even Rabindranath Tagore,
बहुत प्रसन्न हुए।
he was so pleased listening to him.
उनके लिए
And
एक भविष्यवाणी
He gave like Rabindranath Tagore made a prophecy about him. A prophecy. This is known, like this story is famous.
ये बताया
So Rabindranath Tagore told, oh,
भाषण इतने सुंदर प्रांजल,
the language, like the way Abhay Charan De speaks is so amazing, so nice, like the way he speaks. So Rabindranath Tagore told,
मेरे विचार से
I think that
अभय चरण दे एक दिन
one day Abhay Charan De
विश्व के एक विशेष वक्ता
will be a great speaker, like a lecturer in the world. What did he say?
भविष्य में
So in the future,
विश्व में एक विशेष वक्ता
he'll be a great speaker, famous
वर्ल्ड स्पीकर,
world speaker he will be.
ऐसे इसी प्रकार उन्होंने भविष्यवाणी,
So like this, he did this. Bhavishyavani means prophecy, like a prediction for the future.
जिस प्रकार चैतन्य महाप्रभु
So in the same way, Mahaprabhu also did a prediction.
पृथ्वीते আছে যেত নগরাদি গ্রাম सर्वत्र प्रचार हुई वे मोर नाम। स्वयं चैतन्य
Mahaprabhu himself, he said,
महाप्रभु ने क्या कहा, एक
he's God, and he said, one day my name will be pleased. Will be preached in the whole world, This was the prophecy made by Mahaprabhu. So in the same way, Rabindranath Tagore, in this great assembly, he told, this man, this Abhay Charan De, the way he speaks, the style he speaks, because of this style that he speaks, I know, I'm sure, I'm confident that Abhay Charan De, one day he will be
वक्ता
the best speaker, like
जब
a
यही कथा
lecturer of all the world.
सभा में हजार
So,
लोग, हजार, 2000
thousand people, they were there. Thousands people, they were in his assembly, and great scholars, great assembly people, great scholar people. All of them started clapping, clapping, clapping. That means everybody was also agreeing, like they were agreeing with that Rabindranath Tagore was speaking.
किंतु अभय चरण दे अभिभाव विचार करने लगे, मैं विश्व के वक्ता कैसे बन जाऊं?
So, but Abhay Charan Dev was thinking, how can I be the great world famous speaker? Not possible.
एक तो बिजनेसमैन थे,
Because he was a businessman
धन जो था वो धन को जो है
and he had some wealth.
सभा में जो है लगाते थे.
And
मुझे कोई ये दोनों पैर में ठंडी लग रही.
I'm feeling cold in my feet. Please put something under my feet.
ले आसन दे.
Give asan, like some place so that I can put my feet on.
देखो नवद्वीप परिक्रमा के
So
समय
in the time of Navadvipa Parikrama,
उन्होंने नवद्वीप परिक्रमा के बाद जो है
after Navadvipa Parikrama,
भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती प्रभुपाद के चरण में आश्रय करके जहाँ
he took shelter of Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada
पर बैठे
and he was sitting there,
और प्रभुपाद की भक्तियांत प्रभुपाद के सब बड़े बड़े
and
विद्वान हैं, मानो प्रभुपाद के चारों तरफ
so many scholars of Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada, they were near Prabhupada, sitting also near him.
जैसे उसके विशेष नाम आ जाता है,
So some special names
नाम
come.
आता है.
For example, who was there also present?
अभी इसके ऊपर आसन, आसन के ऊपर तुम ये रखो,
On the top of asan,
आसन ऊपर रखो, नहीं तो ठंडा लग रहा है ना.
put the asan on top, otherwise it'll be cold. I'll feel cold. You don't know how to serve.
ऐसे रखो.
You have to put like this.
हाँ, क्या बोला?
So what I was saying?
ये भक्ति शांत प्रभुपाद
That Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada.
उनकी जो है लक्ष्य करके उंगली निर्देश करके बोले,
So he pointed out to Swami Maharaj, Abhay Charan Dev at that time. And he also pointed to him and said, you will also preach.
तो अब उस समय
Then at that moment,
अभय चरण देव बोले,
Abhay Charan Dev
मैं इस
spoke,
समय कैसे प्रचार
how can I preach in the whole world?
जहाँ पर प्रभुपाद के सबसे बड़े बड़े
Because
विद्वान
so many great scholars of Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada were present at that time.
भाषा में बोलने वाले,
And they used to speak, like they were so good in speaking English.
नाम आ जाता है,
For example,
नाम आता है, किसका नाम
first name who comes in this list is, which comes in this list, is, do you know whose name is the first in this list?
है? भक्ति हृदय वन महाराज.
Bhakti Hriday Ban Maharaj.
हाँ समझिए, वृंदावन में जिनको मठ है ना,
He has a temple in Vrindavan also.
वर्तमान जो आचार्य जो है,
The acharya of this temple, of his temple nowadays, is, his name is,
क्या बन
what, another Ban?
है, वो ब्राह्मण के पास आते रहते हैं.
Sometimes he stays with Premananda, near Premananda.
उस मठ में उन्होंने,
So,
मैं इसलिए कह रहा था भक्ति हृदय बन
so Srila Bhakti Hriday Ban Goswami Maharaj,
अंग्रेजी भाषा की इतने
he was so,
हैं, जोर से बोलते थे.
he used to speak English so well and everybody used to be amazed.
ग्रंथ भी पढ़े,
If you read his books, Bhakti Hriday Ban Goswami Maharaj's books,
बहुत उच्च स्तर की इंग्लिश का है.
they are written in a very high class English.
आपके पढ़ने के लिए
If you were gonna read his book, you need some dictionary to be able to understand all the words. And he was a Shrutidhar, means he can listen once and remember everything. Do you know what is the topmost difficult, hard language of all the earth? The hardest language to learn in all earth is German. German language. So he went to Germany, and in 7 days only, he learns the German language.
7 दिन के बाद
And after these 7 days,
बड़े बड़े विद्वान की सभा में,
he went in
बड़े बड़े
high
राजदरबार में जाकर
class assemblies of learned people, and even royal family, the royal family,
भाषण देते थे.
they were in these assemblies and they gave a place to him for him to speak. Everybody was amazed. How an Indian person, Indian man, how an Indian man, oh my,
व्यक्ति आए हैं,
how this person came from India and he learned
हैं, भक्ति आते हैं.
German
सबसे कठिन भाषा है।
Because this is the hardest language of all the earth is Germany. German language is the hardest language.
कि इतने तेज है,
Because he had so much like his intelligence was amazing, sharp intelligence.
तो मेरे कहने की तात्पर्य जो है,
So what I want to say is that
मन मन विचार
Abhan Charan De in his mind was thinking,
वहाँ लोग जहाँ पर विराजमान है,
Prabhupada has so many scholars persons with him,
और हमारे क्या महाराज नाम बताया,
and that Maharaj, I told the name,
भक्ति श्री महाराज,
Bhakti Hriday Ban Goswami Maharaj,
प्रदीप तीर्थ
also Bhakti Pradeep Tirtha Goswami Maharaj.
बड़े बड़े प्रचारक,
All of them, they were great preachers.
भक्ति सारंग
Also Bhakti Saranga
गोस्वामी महाराज,
Goswami Maharaj also.
ये सब प्रभुपाद के जैसे
All of them, they were
स्तर के
high class preachers of Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada.
हैं, कोई साधारण
They were not ordinary.
बड़े बड़े प्रचारक,
They were great preachers.
भाषण जहाँ पर देते थे, सब लोग आश्चर्य हुए,
Everybody became amazed when they were like speaking, because they were great speakers. 1,000 people used to gather to listen to their preaching, and they would become amazed. Thousands of people. So like this,
उसमें
at that moment,
अभय चरण दे मन मन विचार
Abhan Charan De, he was thinking,
ये प्रभुपाद के ऐसे से गण बड़े बड़े दिग्गज हस्ती जहाँ पर है,
these associates of
उनके सामने
Prabhupada,
मैं कुछ नहीं,
they are like just great elephants. I'm near them. I'm just like a small mosquito. I'm just like a small mosquito in front of them because they're so great. So what did he do? Abhay Charan De, he thought,
मैं भी गृहस्थ हूँ,
I'm also a grihastha.
बिजनेसमैन,
I'm a businessman. I'm a family.
सन्यासी लोग
How to
भाषण
say?
देंगे,
Grihastha, you know, grihastha.
ब्रह्मचारी लोग सन्यासी भाषण देंगे, और मैं गृहस्थ भी हूँ और बिजनेस,
I'm a grihastha. I'm a businessman. Who will listen to me? Who will give
विदेश में प्रचार
who will want to listen to me? It's not possible for me to preach in the Western countries. But Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada told
ये अभय चरण
Abhay Charan,
विदेश में जाओ,
you have to go to Western countries to preach.
है? तो ऐसे करते करते मानो 40 साल
So 40 years had passed by.
बीत गए,
40 years passed.
जब उनके सारे बिजनेस फेल
So
हो गए,
when all his business went like failed, like bankrupt, he went bankrupt, like
केमिकल
the Bengal Chemicals, the company he had,
जो क्या बोलते बेंगल केमिकल है, वो भी फेल हो गया
also failed. Like
है, इलाहाबाद में
in Allahabad,
इंडस्ट्री खोली, सब ढाप हो गया, माने
all his business failed.
है, और उम्र भी हो गया,
And also he became,
उम्र
or like older, he was getting old. He was getting old.
करीब करीब 70 साल तक भी
Maybe he was already 70 years.
है। उन्होंने क्या की,
And then what did he do?
छोड़कर
He left.
है, आश्रम,
Understand?
और एक दिन श्रील गुरुदेव
So once, one day, Srila Gurudev Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj
गए
went
मॉर्निंग वॉक करने के लिए,
for a morning walk
है, तब उनके साथ मिले,
and met him
बोले प्रभु आप इधर
and
हैं?
saw, Prabhu, are you you are here?
श्रील गुरुदेव उसके कैसे जान ले,
Because how Srila Gurudeva knew him?
भक्ति प्रकांड केशव गोस्वामी जो
Because
गौड़ीय वेदांत समिति स्थापना की,
Bhakti Pragyana established the Gauriya Vedanta Samiti, and 4 people were with him when established the Gauriya Vedanta Samiti. Who was with him when Bhakti Pragyana established Gauriya Vedanta Samiti?
भक्ति वेदांत वामन गोस्वामी महाराज,
Bhakti Vedanta Vamana Goswami Maharaj,
भक्ति कुशल
Bhakti Kushal Narasimha Maharaj was also present.
गोस्वामी महाराज के चाचा,
Means the uncle of Srila Gurudev Srila Vamana Goswami Maharaj. Third person with him was,
और कौन था,
who else was with him?
केशव गोस्वामी महाराज जी थे,
Okay, Keshava Goswami Maharaj and Abhay Charan De
और
also.
एक क्या नाम है,
And one person's name. I think 4 or 5 people.
नरहरि सेवा विग्रह प्रभु,
Narahari Vigaha Prabhu. Okay, now I forgot the name of who was also there.
इसलिए
So,
श्रील गुरुदेव इतिहास को जानते हैं, ये गौड़ीय वेदांत समिति की
so,
ये प्रतिष्ठा है, जो
so the Gauriya Vedanta Samiti was established.
आप
So,
इधर हैं, तो उन्होंने सारे
So Gurudeva told him, stay here, Prabhu, And Swami Baicharan told, oh, all my business are failed, like when I went bankrupt. So
इसी प्रकार से जो है अपने जीविका निर्वाह
I'm here living in Mathura and keeping my life somehow.
करके जो है आप लोग ने सुना
Because
उनकी पत्नी जो है
you heard that his wife, she was not in Bhakti, in the Bhakti line. She used to take chai. No one in his family was in the Bhakti line. So he was so upset, and he was thinking,
के द्वारा विचार करने लगे जसान और गिन्ना में
according to the shloka of the Bhagavatam, that shloka saying that when Lord is giving you mercy, He takes everything from you and makes you a street beggar.
आप यहाँ पर आप लोग क्या करोगे आइए हमारे मठ में रहिए
So
उन्होंने कहा देखो
Gurudeva was saying, stay in the temple.
मेरा उम्र भी ज्यादा हो
But he was thinking, I'm already old. If I stay in the temple, what can I do in the temple? I'll have to serve.
सेवा नहीं करके क्या करेंगे सेवा नहीं।
I'll not be able to serve in the temple because I'm already old.
मठ
So
में
he
मैं
didn't want to
हूँ,
stay in the temple.
तो मैं तो सेवा नहीं सेवा कर नहीं पाऊंगा
I'll not be able to serve.
सेवा लेना पड़ेगा
I'll have to accept service because I'm already old.
हम रहते हैं कृष्ण
So why do we stay in the temple? To serve.
क्योंकि सेवा नहीं करके क्या करेंगे
But if you don't serve, you're just taking service, like a receiving service from others.
मठ में मैं रहना नहीं चाहता
So he didn't want to stay in the temple.
और घर भी तो ऐसे ही है सारे
And in his house,
भक्ति के क्या है
all his family
सब
of Swami Maharaj, all his family was unfavorable for bhakti. Nobody was favorable for bhakti.
इसलिए कहते हैं कि चलो कैसे भी हमें यहाँ पर मैं अपने के जीवन को बिता दूं
Okay, so I'm just keeping my life somehow here. But Srila Gurudev Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj told, no,
मठ में है
Prabhu, come to my temple. Come to the temple. You don't need to do any service in the temple.
हिंदी
You
जो है
just,
पत्रिका
please, we have the Hindi, the monthly Hindi magazine.
भागवत जो पत्रिका है मासिक हिंदी भागवत पत्रिका उस समय मथुरा में चालू हुई उसी के जो है आप केवल
These are magazine in Hindi. You just please edit and take care of it.
इतना ही कर दिए
You just need to do
और
this.
बोले नहीं नहीं मैं नहीं
He said, no, no, I will not go.
गुरुदेव देवनगर के बोले
Gurudev humbly, he told,
कपड़ा से मैं भी कपड़ा भी मैं दे दूंगा
I'll even wash your own clothes.
बर्तन वो भी मैं दे दूंगा
I'll wash everything for you. You don't need to take, you
तथापि उन्होंने कहा
just need to come. But Abhay Charan said, no, no, oh, why will I go? What will I go in the temple?
ये सारा जोबन तो अपने
Because people tell me, okay, you gave all your youth to your family members, your parents, your kids, your wife, and now you became old, you gave all your blood to them, and now you became old, then you come to the temple to be served. But Narayan Goswami Maharaj told, no.
आप हमारे छिलका लेकर के मन में आए हाँ ब्रह्मचारी गाली देंगे
So the brahmacharis, they will insult me because
सारा जीवन तो
you stayed all your life with your family,
सार को देकर के
gave all your everything you had to your family, and you came just like the skin, like there's nothing else inside you because you're old. So you just came to the temple like this.
ये शिला गुरुदेव स्वयं जो है जाकर के उनकी सारे दो तीन जो है
So Srila Gurudev himself went and he had some boxes there, Srila Swami Maharaj, and Gurudeva took and brought to the temple. Sheshai Prabhu used to tell one thing. Sheshai Prabhu used to live in that room there. Sheshai used to tell one thing. It's because it's
ये शिला गुरुदेव स्वयं जो है 2-4 महीने के बाद जो है जाकर के उनके सारे दो तीन जो है वो बक्सा था
that Gurudev himself, he went there and brought all the boxes of Srila Swami Maharaj by Charan here. Okay, so he was staying here, and then Gurudev told, Prabhu, you should take sannyas. Because what is the duty of a sannyas?
हैं, विचार में जाए
The sannyasi must preach.
यदि इसलिए मैं बोले नहीं मैं सन्यास
So that's why Bhacharan told, no, I don't want to take sannyas because I will have to preach.
और मेरा वृद्धावस्था
And also I'm already
कौन सुनेगा
old. Who will listen to me?
उत्तर भारत
And
में
especially
हिंदी बोलना पड़ता
in
है
the North India, I must speak Hindi.
हाँ, समझे?
North
हिंदी नहीं
India.
बोलो,
If you
तुम्हारे
don't
पता
speak
कौन
Hindi, nobody will listen to you.
सुनेगा? बोले बोले मैं कर नहीं सकता
So he said, I cannot do that. But Srila Gurudev was insisting again and again with him. No, no.
शिला गुरुदेव भक्ति प्रकाम कैसे कुछ शिला गुरुदेव आए हैं
When Srila Bhakti Pragyana, my Gurudev comes, please take sannyas.
हैं? बहुत करने पर
So,
उन्होंने तो सम्मति दी और उस समय
Gurudev
सनातन
insisted
प्रभु
so much. And also Sanatana Prabhu was also here. You can see in that picture.
थे। उनको भी कहा जी प्रभु जी आपने देखो इतने उम्र ले रहे हैं आप क्यों नहीं लेंगे हैं? उनके कितने बहुत उम्र हो गया था उनका।
So he was already very old, Sanatana
अंत
Prabhu.
में उन्होंने
So in the end,
सम्मति दी
he agreed.
शिला भक्ति प्रदान कैसे कुछ महाराज सन्यास
Like both of them, they would take sannyas from Srila Bhakti Pragyana.
शिला गुरुदेव उनके लिए सारे सन्यास
Srila Gurudev arranged everything for the all paraphernalia for the sannyas. Gurudev arranged. Like for example, the Bahirarik Vastra means the clothes of sannyasi, like Uttariya, the special clothes that the sannyasis use. Even the danda also, like the stick, the danda of sannyasi. Gurudev also
पौरोहित्य किया पौरोहित्य माने
did the Purohit,
हवन आदि किया
means make the fire sacrifice for him, the fire sacrifice
आदि के द्वारा
with mantras, following all the rules Gurudeva Srila Narayana Goswami Maharaj made for him.
उनके नाम क्या हुई
So his sannyas name became
शिला भक्ति वेदांत
Srila Bhakti Vedanta
शिला स्वामी महाराज
Srila Swami Maharaj ki Jai.
हाँ जी, भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी महाराज
Bhakti Vedanta.
अच्छा इसके बाद कुछ दिन के बाद
And
भाई
then
सन्यास तो लिया
after some days, okay, he took sannyas,
प्रचार में जाए
but need to go for preaching.
प्रचार में जाने के लिए देखो
So to go for preaching, you need some brahmachari also.
क्या प्रचार करें
How can you preach alone, right?
तो
So
के लिए उन्होंने कहा कि शेषर वो बोले मुझे देंगे कहाँ
so he took Sheshai Prabhu with him and he went to Jhansi.
झांसी है ना
You know Jhansi?
हाँ? क्या रंग अच्छा रंगनाथ बाबा
Ranganath Baba.
हम भी गए थे
But Sheshai Prabhu told me that also he went along.
प्रचार के लिए
So some brahmacharis went with him to Jhansi.
एक महीने तक जो है
So for 1 month,
मैनेजर थे उनके घर
he was in the house of a bank manager in Jhansi.
और प्रचार करने के लिए बहुत प्रयास भी किया
And he tried to preach so much,
किंतु
but
सफलता नहीं
he
सफल
was not successful. He was not successful. And then what did he do?
घर पे छोड़ करके फिर मथुरा में
He left Jhansi and he came back to Mathura. He was thinking, okay, I took sannyas, but because the desire of Lord is not there, I cannot preach, I'm not able to preach. Who will listen to my katha? Who will give attention to me?
तो उन्होंने मानी मानी
So in his mind, he was thinking,
ईश्वर की इच्छा ही नहीं है
no, God doesn't have the desire for me to preach.
क्या कहा
So what Mahaprabhu told? Mahaprabhu told,
ईश्वर इच्छा बिना
without the desire of Lord, we cannot preach.
उत्तम चेतन चेतामृत क्या पाए
Uttama, what is the verse in Chaitanya Charitamrita about this?
बिना संकीर्तन धर्म नहीं प्रचारित है आमा बिना संकीर्तन धर्म नहीं प्रचारित चैतन्य महाप्रभु कह रहे हैं
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is saying,
मेरा कृपा यदि किसी ऊपर नहीं
if somebody doesn't not have my mercy, the person can endeavor for preaching 1,000 times, but
लोग सुनेगा नहीं
nobody will listen to him.
चैतन्य चेतामृत
So that's why Chaitanya Charitamrita Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami wrote a shloka like this, Mahaprabhu himself saying,
संकीर्तन धर्म नहीं प्रचारित बड़े बड़े विद्वान भी हैं
even great scholars,
शैली भी बहुत
they know how to speak very nicely and everything, but they cannot be successful in their preaching.
सफलता क्या है आप बताओ
What is the actually being successful in the preaching means?
प्रचार करके आए
Some people say, oh, I preach it. Many people listen to my katha. I did so many things.
प्रचार की फल क्या है
But what is the real fruit of preaching? 2 fruits.
एक कहा
Srila Gurudeva told.
है उसको आपको इंटरनेट में मिलेगा गुरुदेव
You can see in the internet that Srila Gurudeva Srila Narayana Goswami Maharaj,
कथा में बोल रहे हैं
he spoke in the internet, in the Harikatha. Sorry, he spoke in the Harikatha. So Gurudeva met some brahmacharis and sannyasis, and Gurudeva asked,
प्रचार बहुत
what did you do? And then they told Gurudev, we preached so much, we preached so much, we preached so much, so many people came, Gurudev. So many people have come to listen to us, We preached everywhere. Then Gurudev told, Shalnarayan Goswami Maharaj told them, okay, your preaching was successful. What is the meaning? How can we understand your preaching was successful or not? Uttam, what is the answer? Okay, my preaching was successful. How can we understand that your preaching was successful? How many people became impressed or influenced by listening to your Harikatha? How many people took Harinam Diksha? After listening to your Katha, they felt the enthusiasm, this enthusiasm to take initiation. And also money will come also. So two things are the fruit of preaching. One is manpower and money power. Money will come. But money is not our goal. Srila Gurudev told. Our goal is not to get money. But if you speak Harikatha, people will listen to your Katha and they will have the desire to serve, to help. Did you understand or not? So Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada wrote. So for preaching also you need manpower and money power. So many people became influenced by after listening to your Harikatha. So they'll join and also money will come. Even the karmis, yogis, gyanis, they have so many followers. Like in Vrindavana, that Prema, what is the name? Prem Kripalu Maharaj. You can see how is his temple. Actually, he's not following Shuddha Bhakti, but still, people are running behind him. Yeah, because there's a natural tendency of the preaching. These people will come. With the Kormis, Gyanis and Yogis, also we see this. Sit on top because the sannyasis they should sit on top, not on top, like on a seat, on a higher position. So this is the rules of sannyasis. They should sit in a higher position. Please. You can chant Harinam, but sit on this chair. What was I saying? So, Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada also told the speciality of preaching. People will be impressed by you. Gurudeva told all this. How many people will be able to impress with your Harikatha? You see, for example, Swami Vivekananda, he's a Mayavadi. He has followers or not? He has money or not? Yes, otherwise how would he build such big temples? Because according to the Sukriti of the people, they follow different persons. So according to their Sukriti, people with this kind also they go to them. So Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained about 3 kinds of Sukriti. What are they? Hey Manav, human being, tell me. You listen but you forget everything. Karma Unmukhi Sukriti, Jnana Unmukhi Sukriti, and 3rd kind? Bhakti Unmukhi Sukriti. Isn't it? In Javadharma it's written. So, according to the Sukriti, pious deeds that you have from previous lives, according to the Sukriti you have from previous lives, you also go to these kinds of sadhus. So, if you have Karma Unmukhi Sukriti, you go to Ramakrishna Mission, etc. So these people, they are doing karma in Ramakrishna Mission, etc. So by having association of this kind of people and serving there, you'll generate or create karma unmukhi sukriti. And the Gyanis, by discussing the Shastra, etc. Actually, their main goal is to attain mukti, liberation. And which kind of mukti, liberation? Sayuja mukti. They want to merge in Brahma. Because So they have the Jnana Unmukh Sukriti and they're going towards Jnani Sadhu.
भक्ति उन्मुखी सुकृति होने पर
But if you have Bhakti Unmukhi Sukriti, then you come to the Shuddha Bhakta.
इसलिए आपको किसी प्रकार विचलित होने के कारण नहीं रहे।
So you don't need to be disturbed.
हमारे फॉलोअर्स कम है।
I don't have so many followers.
कौरवी ज्ञानी के फॉलोअर्स
The Karmis Jnanis, they have so many followers, but I don't have many followers.
किसी प्रकार विचलित होने
You should not be disturbed by that,
के साहबी के नियम है।
because this is a natural rule.
भक्ति जो है अत्यंत उच्च स्तरीय है।
Because Bhakti is something very high class. Example is given
बाजार में
in the market.
लोग कहाँ पर भीड़ लगाते हैं?
People
जहाँ पर
in the market, they generally go to the place where they sell the subjis, like spinach subjis and spinach vegetables, etc. In the bazaar, the shops in the markets, these shops are full, like the shops where they sell vegetables. But in the shops where they sell pearls and diamonds and jewels, how many people go inside these shops? So less, like very less people go. Maybe in 1 month, 10 or 15 customers only come to these shops.
हो जाता है उसमें करोड़ रुपया
But these 10, 15 customers, they spend millions and billions of rupees,
चावल दाल
you know.
आदि बिक्री होती
But when you sell this vegetable or grocery shop or where they sell rice, how many people they are in these shops? Like the shops are always full of clients.
पैसा नहीं देते।
But they buy things for cheap price, you know, like everything is cheap. But in a diamond shop, a shop where they sell pearls and diamonds and jewels,
लोग नहीं जाते,
and you know,
लोग जाते हैं।
only rich and so very rich people go to these places. So our bhakti is also like this. Bhakti is like this as well.
आज समझो। 10 व्यक्ति के भक्ति की तरफ उन्मुख कर देना,
So to put 10 people in the path of bhakti is not ordinary things.
इससे हमारे भक्ति सिद्धांत प्रभुपाद
That's why Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada wrote. What he did, he write.
एक व्यक्ति के भक्ति मार्ग में
For you to bring one person to the path of bhakti,
कितने खून
you must spend so much blood. How much?
है, कितने गैलन
How many gallons of blood you need to spend for that?
है, कहते कितने गैलन खून तुम्हें
How many gallons of blood you need to spend?
ऐसे इतना समझ नहीं है।
It's not so easy. This path of bhakti, to come to the path of bhakti is not easy. Actually, it's sukriti from many lives. And also by the mercy of Lord, then you can come to the bhakti marga, path of bhakti. This is true.
समझ में आ रहा है?
Do you understand?
क्योंकि भक्ति के साधन
Because bhakti is not ordinary things.
और भी ज्ञानी के
So many people following Kormis and Gyanis.
ठीक हो जैसे गुसारी के दुकान जैसी कहा।
Just like a grocery shop, which is full of clients.
भक्ति मार्ग क्या है?
But bhakti marga, the path of bhakti, is just like
मणि मुक्ता की
the shop of a diamond, pearls and jewel shops.
जेब में पैसा होनी चाहिए ना।
You must have money in your pocket to go to a diamond shop. A shop which sells diamonds and pearls and
क्या बताया?
precious jewels.
सही माना है,
So
विचार करने लगे।
Swami Maharaj was thinking,
जी, भगवान नहीं चाहते हैं
God doesn't want
भक्ति मार्ग के प्रचार
that I preach for bhakti, that I be a bhakti preacher. So he went to Vrindavan, and then in Vrindavan, Srila Swami Maharaj, he stayed in the temple Radha Damodar.
एक छोटा सा कमरा ले
In a small room, he was staying there.
और वहाँ पर आकर के उन्होंने क्या की
And what did he do?
श्रीमद् भागवत गीता है उसके बाद इंग्लिश में
He was translating, he was doing Bhagavad Gita in English.
श्रीमद् भागवत गीता
Srimad Bhagavad Gita as it is.
और उसके देखो वहाँ पर हरिनाम भी करते थे
So he used to chant Harinam there and also writing,
ट्रांसलेट करते थे
translating. He used to translate. Srila Gurudev, Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj,
समय समय पर
every once in a while, he used to come to him, to meet him.
भक्तिवेदांत
Understand?
स्वामी के पास जाते
He used to go to Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj to meet him,
और
and then
साथ बैठ करके
they used to sit together and they used to
कथा आदि करते थे जैसे रूप सनातन
speak so much Harikatha.
समय पाठ 1.5 कदम
Just like Rupa Sanatana. Rupa Goswami used to stay in Terkadamba doing his bhajan. Sanatana Goswami, where did he used to stay?
पावन सरोवर
At Pavan Sarovar.
पावन सरोवर के पास उसने सनातन गोस्वामी भजन कुटी
That's why his bhajan kutir is there until nowadays. But
सनातन गोस्वामी पाद रूप गोस्वामी
Sanatana Goswami, he used to go to Rupa Goswami, and both used to sit together and discuss Krishna Katha. And they used to describe one shloka of the Bhagavatam in such a beautiful way, Rupa Sanatan. So listen to that. Srimati Radhika herself, she came in this guise of an ordinary village girl. She used to come just to listen to their speech. Oh, Baba, my mom sent some rice, some sugar and some milk. Make some kheer, sweet rice. But Rupa and Sanatana, they were both brothers. They're so absorbed in the Harikatha. Just in the first sloka of the Bhagavatam, they were discussing the first sloka of Bhagavatam. Which sloka? So in this sloka, Janmadasa Jata, Sanatana Goswami was giving one explanation and Rupa Goswami explaining another explanation. So they are describing so beautifully. So to listen to their Harikatha, Srimati Radhika herself, she came there. You are so much renounced Babas, like we're renounced. You are renounced. So I will cook the sweet rice for you too. So Srimati Radhika herself, she was sitting and she was cooking with the rice, milk and sugar. Oh, but where the pot came from? Where did the pot come from? Where did the stove come from? Tell me. Because from all the kinds of mystic perfections like Anima and Lagima, they come from the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika, from her toenails. Understand? So Srimati Radhika just thinks, she just thinks what she wants, and automatically everything arranges in front of her. The pot to cook, the stove also, like the fire, and the fire. Where the fire will come from? Srimati Radhika just blows, and then the fire comes. And sitting there, Srimati Radhika, she's doing kheer, she's cooking sweet rice. And two brothers, Rupa Sanatan, they were speaking Harikatha. Why Srimati Radhika is sitting there? Listen to the sweet explanations of this sloka. Understand? So in the context, I say that Srila Gurudeva, Srila Narayana Goswami Maharaj, he used to go to the temple Radha Damodar and meet Srila Swami Maharaj, and both, they used to discuss Harikatha together. So Srila Swami Maharaj, he used to cook himself, for himself, his roti, his chapati. But when Gurudeva used to go, Gurudeva used to roll the roti. Okay, Gurudeva used to bake the roti and whatever. I was not there. Okay, whatever Gurudeva spoke, whatever you heard, okay. Okay, very nice. So they used to make the chapati together, the roti, and then they used to. They're no vegetables, just some achar, some pickles, and then they used to offer to the deities and eat. Gurudeva used to say, we had so much intimate friendship, real friendship. So that's why I said he's my Priya Bandhu, dear friend and Shiksha Guru. He was older than me, he was disciple of Prabhupada. But he took sannyas after me. After me, he took sannyas, not before me. Srila Narayana Goswami Maharaj. But still, he was my Priya Bandhu, dear friend and Shiksha Guru. So I'll continue the Harikatha. After that, Srila Swami Maharaj became enthusiastic to go to the Western countries, and then he went in that ship. It was a cargo ship. He sat in a cargo ship to go. I think maybe 2 months to reach to America. In the biography of Swami Maharaj, that book, what is the name?
प्रभुपाद के जो ऊपर जो लिखा गया, सैमान जी के ऊपर जो लिखा
Like
गया,
some book
उसका,
speaking about Prabhupada, Swami Maharaj. In the book Prabhupada Lilamrita Grantha,
हैं? क्या? प्रभुपाद लीलामृत,
in this book Prabhupada Lilamrita Grantha, in this book,
उस ग्रंथ में भी ऐसे लिखा है।
it's saying that
ये देखो, जब मैं ऐसे चलने लगी, कार्गो जहाज में
Swami Maharaj saying that when I went to the cargo ship
बड़े-बड़े लहर,
and these big waves in the ocean, it's so difficult to stay on a ship.
फिर 2 बार और 3 बार ना कितने बार,
Maybe 2-3 times, or how many times he had the heart attack.
सोचने लगे मैं रह गए।
He was thinking I'm gonna die in this ship, on this ship.
देखो कार्गो जहाज में बैठ करके उन्होंने ये बंगाली कविता
And he even wrote a Bengali poem, Kirtan, on the ship when he was on the ship.
उन्होंने
So
पहले कहाँ पर, ये बोस्टन शहर में,
he came to the city of Boston, in America,
बोस्टन शहर में,
Boston. And then
और एक पंजाबी ना को था जो था,
there was someone from Punjab, and he was staying there in this family's house, but they were not devotees.
मैंने विदेश में तो आप जानते हैं सब क्या खाते
You know what they eat in the Western countries, right?
सबसे बड़ी खाद्य क्या है,
They eat.
बिना शराब पीना कोई नहीं रह सकता,
Nobody can stay without drinking in the Western countries.
और कुछ खाए नहीं खाए,
Maybe the person will eat or not, but certainly the person will drink alcohol.
ठंडी देश है ना,
Because a cold country,
बोस्टन, और बोस्टन की बहुत ये पड़ते हैं।
Boston is a place that it snows so much in Boston.
मैं भी बोस्टन गया था,
I've been to Boston,
और देखो हम जहाँ पर रहे ना,
so
वास्तव में हम मैंने देखा,
I've seen in Boston that
हमारे घर की जो है वो ऊपर दीवार के जो है 3 फीट जो है चारों तरफ जो है,
there are 3 feet of snow just near
काल में हम जब उठे,
the wall, like just in front of our house. When we woke in the morning and we tried to go outside the house, we couldn't go because there's so much snow.
इतने जो है बर्फ पड़ जाता है,
So sometimes there's so much snow. You cannot even open the door of your house. And all the cars, they become under the snow. I've seen the rivers,
बिल्कुल बर्फ में सफेद दिखाई,
the rivers, they become white, they like freeze.
बच्चा लोग जो है वो दौड़ते रहते
And the kids, they are running on the lakes,
हैं, कहीं कहीं तो मैंने सुना,
on the rivers, like because it becomes frozen. I heard also.
किंतु पहले मैंने जो जगह में देखा,
First,
बोस्टन शहर में जब
I only heard about it,
वाशिंगटन
but in Boston and
में हाउस जहाँ पर है,
Washington also,
मैं देखा,
I've seen
इतना तक
so much snow.
2 फीट तक जो है बर्फ है, देखिए वो बर्फ कैसे
And the snow is falling.
वर्षा जैसे,
Just like
देखते देखते बाद
rain of cotton.
बर्फ जम जाती है,
And everything like freezes and so much snow falling and
और उसमें
amazing.
वो फिर सरकारी गाड़ी आ जाता है,
Then a government sends some kind of,
छिड़कता है, गर्म पानी दे करके,
they put hot water, and like after the government does something to clear the way of the snow for the people to walk. So
अमेरिका में कई कई स्थानों जो है बहुत
some places in America,
रेत का पड़ता है,
it snows so much.
जैसे शिकागो शहर,
For example, Chicago also.
बोस्टन,
Chicago, Boston,
और ये सब स्थान में जो है
in all these places, it snows a lot.
ठंडी के समय
In the winter time, so much snow.
मैं तो कई बार जा चुका हूँ,
I've been there sometimes,
ये सब शहर में मैं
a few times.
अमेरिका के इधर से उधर से सब चल जाएगा,
I went to many places in America, so many places.
आज देखा मैंने,
I've seen.
और वह पर रहे, किंतु उनकी मैंने जिसने
So,
कहा था उसके घर में रहे वो भक्त
So
नहीं थे,
he was in the house of the person who was not a devotee.
किताब लेकर के अपना किताब लेकर के प्रचार में जाएंगे,
So he took his book, tried to preach,
कठिन था,
but it was so difficult.
और प्रचार करना बहुत कठिन था,
And to preach was so difficult.
एक तो होता है क्या, ये इंडियन होकर के इंग्लिश
Because he was Indian also, and the English he used to speak was different from the English of the American people.
उनकी जो ट्यून जो होता
The
है
tune he used to speak, the English language,
वो दूसरी होता है,
was different from theirs.
ब्रिटिश इंग्लिश
You can see the British English and American English,
बिल्कुल ही आपके पास इंग्लिश
they are so different. It's the same English, but especially when the American people speak English, they speak so fast.
तो एक बार तो मैं बिल्कुल
2 or 3 times I became completely bewildered. I couldn't understand what they were speaking. I used to take flights alone. I used to fly alone. So, what? Two on one times I was so bewildered. I was almost crying. I was almost crying because I couldn't understand. They were saying, "Show your." You can hear. What they were speaking, I couldn't understand. Boarding pass, show your passport. I couldn't understand, especially in America. If you go there, you'll be almost crying, like you want to cry because you cannot understand. Like Shamarani Didi, she's from America, and also our Padmanabha Maharaj, he's American. You can listen to their English. They speak so quick. But the people from UK, their English is kind of a little bit slower and you can understand. But the English from America, they speak so fast. Not so easy. But the Indians, when they speak English, if you speak English, but if you're Indian, everybody recognizes that you are an Indian. Because our tune is different and they recognize that you're Indian. So, Swami Maharaj wrote a letter to Gurudev. Hey Maharaj, I am preaching here. I'm preaching here in the United States, but because of my Indian tune of speaking English, and especially my Bengali tune, I think that these people here, they only understand 50% of what I speak. Only half of what I speak they can get it. But still they come with faith and they sit in front of me. You can read this letter Shri Maharaj wrote to Gurudev. So it's so difficult, so hard, very hard. Here, so many people are here sitting, but in Western countries, to gather 10 people for Harikatha is so difficult. Because people there, they don't want to listen to renunciation katha. Especially this conception of the Gauriya Vaishnava's philosophy. We are cutting the Gyan. Like Swami Maharaj. Like this, Swami Vivekananda, etc. They were speaking so much more about sense gratification, not Gyan and Vairagya. Like means the Indians were preaching before in the West, like another philosophies. They are speaking more about sense gratification, not knowledge and Vairagya. So, like Swami Vivekananda, he's saying you should water the eggplant plant. You know, the eggplant plant. Not a tulsi plant. Why watering tulsi plant? If you just sit 1 hour in the Harikatha, you'll become even more sick. Better you just play football and exercise. So Swami Vivekananda used to say these things. Completely against bhakti. Imagine Vrinda Devi, directly the form of bhakti, tulsi. And he's saying it's not necessary to water the tulsi plant. So that's why the Gauriya Vaishnavas, they say that Vivekananda is not Vivekananda. Like Vivek, because Vivek means discrimination, like this. He's like a gangster trying to take you out from the path of bhakti. He's like a shameless thief or dacoit. Bhakti Siddhanta Swarupa, when he was a brahmachari, Siddha Swarupa brahmachari, he used these kinds of words when he went to preach in that place. And especially the Bengali people, they have so much faith for this Rabindranath Tagore. If you speak anything against them, Vivekananda and Rabindranath Tagore, the Bengalis become so angry because they have so much devotion to them. So Siddha Swarupa brahmachari told, this this
ये तो चोर है।
they are like dacoits. They are just talking about goats.
लिख करके नोबेल प्राइज, ये तो गीता से सारी कथा है।
Actually, whatever he wrote in his poems, everything comes from Gita, from the Gita.
विवेकानंद ने कहा गया
Viv-
विवेकानंद
Vivekananda
मूर्ख
is like Biko means foolish,
कहा गया विवेकानंद कैसे है
and also he told
नव भक्त क्या बोले स्पिरिचुअल जय पारमार्थी जगत के गुंडा
that he's like a dacoit taking us out from spiritual life. Vivekananda.
इसके बंगाली लोग जो है
So Siddhaswara Brahmachari spoke these things about Vivekananda, and Bengali people are so much devotees of Vivekananda, and all that people they became so angry, started throwing bricks and stones on Siddhaswara Brahmachari.
मैं इसलिए कह रहा था
So what I'm saying,
विदेश में
because to preach in the Western countries to gather 10 people for Harikatha is not ordinary, like it's so hard to do even that. So
कथा बोलो और कुछ
and
प्रसाद की व्यवस्था करो,
if
कम
you
से कम
if you speak Harikatha and arrange some prashada,
कम से कम 100 लोग आ जाए। यदि हम यहाँ पर गए
here in India, very easily you can gather 100 people. We just say, oh, there'll be prasadam, and also we'll give some blankets to everyone, and also 100 rupees donation to everyone. Everybody will come, right?
विदेश में को 500 रुपया दो,
But if
$1
if you give 500 rupees in Western countries as donation, 500 rupees means $1
विदेश में जाओगे ना
for them, so they don't want this.
कचड़ा में, कचड़ा समझते हो जहाँ पर मैं रहता
And you know, blankets, giving blankets. What
हूँ, विश्वास नहीं करते।
you cannot believe, but in Western countries they throw away so many good things. I've seen that in the garbage, people throw away very nice things,
टैबलेट टैबलेट समझते हो हैं?
even tablets.
टैबलेट क्या बोलते हैं?
What do you call?
हाँ, वो पड़ा रहता है।
Just 1 second. What happened?
के बाद फेंक देते हैं,
So people.
कचड़ा में रख देते हैं।
So Gurudev is saying that people use things and
के बाद उनके जो है
and they throw away, they throw out, you know, but good things,
और कचरा में
new things, and people throw in the garbage.
मिलेगा, टीवी भी मिलेगा।
So you can even get TV, tablets in the garbage.
हमने देखा,
The devotees told me, I saw.
इसको लेकर के आते
They took things from the garbage because it was good and new things.
हैं। यहाँ से भागवत सप्ताह होगा और हर रोज भागवत सप्ताह में 500 रुपया।
So okay, we do Bhagavad Saptah here and we give 500 rupees to everyone and blanket to everyone.
अच्छा यहाँ पर लोग
In India, people would gather for that. People would come for that. People would come a lot. So many people.
हम यहाँ पर ऐलान कर दिया जाए,
If we announce, oh, every day
500 रुपया।
we'll give 500 rupees to everyone,
मतलब कथा हमारी सुनना की क्या बैठ जाते कम से कम।
and the person at least sits down for this to Harikatha. But in the Western countries, if you say,
हम
even these people not come,
प्रसाद बनाते हैं।
and they make such
यहाँ पर
nice
जो प्रसाद जो हम बनाते
prasadam.
हैं, इससे कितने गुना प्रसाद।
So the prasad they make in Western countries has to be
उच्च कोटि के प्रसाद बनाया
so
जाता
much
है।
high class prasad, like higher, 100 times better than this that we make here.
हाँ, समझ में नहीं।
Understand?
चावल जो वहाँ पर बनते हैं ना, अच्छे
The rice they make there also is high quality rice as well.
बासमती चावल बनता है।
Must be basmati rice.
और उनके अच्छी तरह से खिलाने तब भी
And then you have to
100
feed them
व्यक्ति को एक
very
से
nicely.
व्यक्ति के
But
इकट्ठा
still,
करना,
to gather 100 people in the Western countries is not ordinary. Like it's so difficult, so hard, so hard.
हो जाता है। हैं? किंतु भक्ति के कथा में तो कहेंगे भाई ये छोड़ो, अपने आसक्ति छोड़ो।
But for bhakti, we say the katha. How is the preaching? We say, oh, give up attachments. We speak about Dhruva Maharaj, Prahlada Maharaj katha,
और इसकी कथा सुनाएंगे।
Ambarish Maharaj katha.
नहीं वो क्या बोलते हैं, चित्रकेतु महाराज की कथा
About the
सुनाएंगे।
story of Chitraketu Maharaj also will speak about this. And people say, what?
इसे छोड़ देना पड़ेगा।
I must give up all that?
सुनेगा नहीं।
So
बोले,
people
पागल
don't
कहाँ से आ गया?
want to listen to this preaching. Oh, where this crazy person came from?
हैं? इसलिए भक्तिवेदांत साईं महाराज भी उन्होंने
So
कहे,
Swami Maharaj
ये
told,
देखो उनके राधा कृष्ण है ना, बोले तो बालक देखने में तो सुंदर, उसे ये क्या गर्लफ्रेंड है?
somebody asked him, "Oh, this boy is very nice, and this is his
विदेशी
girlfriend."
कोई आकर के
If some
बैठे ना,
Western country person,
कथा
Westerner sits,
समापन होने के बाद
and then after the Harikatha, the person will ask, "Oh, this Murti, date of Shrimati Radhika. Okay, this boy is very beautiful in the altar. This girl is his girlfriend."
माने वो अपने गर्लफ्रेंड के लेकर के आए, सोचते हैं जो ये राधा जी
Because
क्या
the
है,
person brought his girlfriend,
वो कृष्ण के
and he's
क्या है?
thinking, "Oh, Shrimati Radhika is the girlfriend of Krishna."
इसलिए तो भक्तिवेदांत साईं महाराज के प्रणाम मंत्र में
So in the Pranama mantra of Swami Maharaj,
कृष्ण पृष्ठाय भूतले श्री श्रीमद् भक्ति वेदांत स्वामिनी नामिने नमस्ते सरस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देश तारिणे। पाश्चात्य देशों के दो विशेषण दे रहे हैं पर
so there are
निर्विशेष और
two specialities. I mean, two characteristics of the Westerners.
तो भाई कुछ भी हो कम तो राम
They're
कृष्ण के बारे में जानते हैं,
nihilists and
हम कुछ भी बोले रामायण के
atheists.
कथा बोले।
Okay,
आपने
an
टीवी
Indian,
देखा 30 साल पहले तो
at least they know something about Rama and Krishna. They saw the Ramayana in the TV. We speak about Krishna. They remember the Krishna's image. We don't need to endeavor so much because everybody knows.
10 बार बोलना पड़ता
But in the Western country, if you speak one word, you have to speak 10 more words to explain what you
है।
told.
कृष्ण, अरे what?
If you say Hare Krishna, people say what?
आज समझे, what?
What?
मतलब हरे कृष्ण what?
Hare Krishna, and people say what? And if you say 10 times, people then understand. Oh, okay, Hare Krishna.
गाली दे
And in the beginning, people think you're insulting them. If you say Hare Krishna,
क्या बोल रहे हो?
people say, what are you saying? People think you're insulting them. What?
10 बार बोलने पर तब
After you speak 10 times, they understand.
समझ आएगी
But here in India, everybody knows.
बिहारी लाल की हैं?
In India, everybody knows what is Hare Krishna. So I'm saying, it's not easy to preach in Western countries.
जितने भी खिलाओ पिलाओ संडे फीस्ट कितने लोग आ जाते हैं?
In the Sunday feast, you
वो
must
बोले, हमारे घर में तो ऐसे त्योहार लोग वहाँ बनाते हैं।
you must feed and give such nice food. And then the person will say, but in my house I already have so much nice food. Why? What will I eat here special? That's why Swami Maharaj arranged very nice food to everyone. I've seen also.
दुकान पर जो केला है ना, हम जो केला को यहाँ पर देते हैं,
This-
ये केला तो सब रिजेक्ट, कोई लेता ही नहीं है। हमारे गौड़ी मठ के जो हमारे ब्रह्मचारी है ना, जहाँ जो लोग हैं, वो फ्री में लेकर के आते हैं सब। अब यहाँ पर सबसे उत्कृष्ट के जो केला आदि
So this best banana and apple.
वहीं पर आप किसी दुकान में चले जाओ, वो साइड करके रखा है, आप ले जाओ,
So
फ्री ले जाओ।
even the best bananas and apples,
आप विश्वास कर सकते हैं?
you maybe not believe, but
एप्पल कितना पैसे की है?
they are giving as donation there.
100 रुपया की।
But here the apple is so expensive.
वहाँ पर ये एप्पल आप कोई खाएगा नहीं, 3 दिन 4 दिन पड़े रहते हैं।
Because maybe to stay 3-4 days nobody eats even these best apples and bananas, and in the end the persons they have to throw away, like the merchants, the people who are selling the fruit.
More than 8 months I'm staying in Western countries।
So people, then the devotees, they take this donation of apples and bananas.
देखा क्या?
More than 8 months I'm staying in Western countries, so I've seen.
कितने सुंदर,
But for us here it's like, oh, this fruit is so amazing.
हैं? हमारे भक्त लोग तो ले लेते हैं, कोई
Our devotees, they take these fruits, yes,
सहज नहीं है,
because it's not easy.
हैं? ब्रेड आदि जो है, ये ब्रेड क्या क्या बनाया?
The bread also, for example.
हमारे लिए कितने सब कहते हैं हाँ।
For us,
आज क्या बनाया?
bread is like, oh, today they made bread pakora, so
यहाँ
nice.
पर देखा, अरे मैंने उनके कहा दिया ऊपर में जाकर के ये करो, और यहाँ पर तो सभी लोग बिल्कुल, अरे भाई यहाँ पर खाओगे, देखो हमारे भागवत की कथा है।
Everybody was eating here because the Bhagavad Gita will be here. Go to the roof to eat bread pakora.
हम कहीं खत्म ना
No, I don't want to. I don't want to miss the bread pakora. Give me.
दूध बनाया, हैं? हमारे पत्तू ने आगे बता दिया कि ऐसे ब्रेड पकड़ा बना।
So I told bread pakora
रामानंद प्रभु इतने
with with potato and paneer. Ramananda Prabhu arranged so well. There was a lot. I told to everyone, eat as much as you want, but eat in the roof. 10, 15, 20 bread pakoras, bread. They make some pakora with bread. Take away also, take away.
बोले आओ ले जाओ ब्रेड पकौड़ा ले जाओ।
So I told everybody, come and take bread pakora. Like it was a success today. You know, everybody wanted this bread pakora. It was amazing. Everybody loved it.
विदेश में इसके ऊपर इतने
But in the Western countries,
हैं? आज समझ में नहीं है, विदेश में वो लोग क्या खाते हैं?
people, what do they eat?
मीट खाएंगे, शराब के बोतल
Meat, bottle of wine and alcoholic drinks.
रामकृष्ण मिशन में क्या करते हैं? मुर्गी मिशन,
So that's why Ramakrishna Mission is called Murgi Mission, because they eat chicken. Murgi means chicken.
भीड़ जम जाता है।
That's why so many people go there.
हाँ? देखो जैसे जैसे लोग हम यहाँ पर वैराग्य करते हैं, हम तो इसमें कहते हैं 60 प्रकार के नियम का पालन।
So we are speaking a renunciation katha, and people have to follow
क्या हरिकथा बोलते हैं?
four principles. When I give Harikatha, we say
मानव स्त्री और सुना,
we should not.
धर्म चतुर्विधा। हैं? विदेश में ऐसे नहीं होता है।
In Western countries, they are not saying about these four principles.
इतने हल्ला हो गए। हैं? बैठ जाते हैं अपने गर्लफ्रेंड बॉयफ्रेंड के साथ हरिकथा हो रही
The
है,
people sit in front of me, and in Harikatha, they are kissing their girlfriends in front of me. What can I say? What can I tell you guys about this?
औरत वस्त्र पहने हुए,
They are always wearing half clothes, like they're not properly covering their body, only half clothes, like on.
दोनों टांग पे ऐसे हमारी तरफ कर देते
And then maybe they sit also with the feet pointing on my direction.
हैं। हाँ, प्रचार जो है इतने सच नहीं।
So not easy to preach in Western countries.
उससे भी चुन चुन करके 2, 4, 10, 20 जो आ गया, जो चलो सदाचार पालन करे, देखो ये साड़ी पहन के
You see some, she's wearing sari and putting tilak. This girl here, she's Westerner.
हैं? बात समझ में नहीं, इतना सहज नहीं है,
So it's not easy
क्योंकि उनकी सभ्यता
because
संस्कृति
this culture,
देना इतने सहज नहीं।
to change this culture, Western culture, is not easy.
रामकृष्ण मिशन क्या किया?
So what did the Ramakrishna Mission do?
एक विचार को परिवर्तन करेंगे।
They couldn't change one spiritual conception of the people. What to speak of Bhakti? Bhakti is very far.
आचार आचरण
But
की
their behavior, like the behavior of Western people, they couldn't change.
तो साईं महाराज
The Ramakrishna Mission didn't change their behavior. But Swami Maharaj, he went to this Nirvisheshwari Shunadesh, like people, atheist and nihilist countries. He went and
मुंडन करा दिया।
he cut all these philosophies.
आज समझ में नहीं, मुंडन किया कराया। जितने
He
ब्रह्मचारी
told them, everybody raised,
ब्रह्मचारी आ जाते हैं, पहले आने के साथ ही साथ
shaved their head. The brahmacharis, just they came, just in the beginning, they had to shave their heads,
तुलसी माला लगा दी थी।
putting tulsi mala on their necks.
आज समझ में, लाल कपड़ा नहीं हो कम से कम
If not
क्या वस्त्र दे देते
red
हैं?
cloth, saffron cloth, at least
सफेद वस्त्र नहीं रहता है, हैं? पीला वस्त्र पहना दिया।
the
क्या
pillar,
समय रहो?
yellow cloth.
हैं?
Stay in the temple.
पालन करें। हैं? इधर होता है, हैं? गुरुदेव विदेश से प्रचार करने गया जब पहली बार है, 96
First time
में
that
आ गया।
Gurudeva went to the Western cultures to
अरे
preach,
गुरुदेव, आप हम लोग के छोड़ करके 2 महीने
we told Gurudev, you left us and you're staying 2 months so far away. Why? Gurudev told,
50 साल मथुरा में हैं?
for 50 years I preached in Mathura.
इतने लोग एकांतिक रूप में
How
राधा
many
कृष्ण भजन
people
करते, हाथ उठाओ।
Are doing bhajan on one pointed to Radha Krishna. Raise your arms. I'm going to everyone's houses.
गुरुदेव ने कहा, मैं नहीं
Gurudev
कहा।
told. I didn't tell. Gurudev told.
विदेश में
But in the Western countries,
मैंने कहा दिया,
I told-
घर में क्या रखो,
I
एक
told them,
मात्र चैतन्य
just have
महाप्रभु
Mahaprabhu Radha Krishna in your
मेरा
house.
भक्त है।
Those who are my devotees.
गुरुदेव ने कहा, गुरुदेव कहा रहे थे,
Gurudev
उसके
told.
प्रवचन सुना, मैं नहीं
You can
कहा।
listen to Gurudev's lecture, not mine. Gurudev told directly.
आज मैं जितने घर में है,
In
तो बताओ,
everyone's
हमारे घर में
houses.
नवदुर्गा है कि नहीं?
Navadurga is in your house.
पीछे रखते कि नहीं, सामने रखते, आगे रखते?
In the front you maybe put Radha Krishna, but in the back you put Durga Maya also in your house. Yes or not? Tell me the truth.
एक महीना भी बहुत कठिन हो जाए।
To find real one-pointed person in India is difficult. So you say you're Brajavasi, but
हैं? अरे एकांतिकता सीखो
you
भाई।
have to be one-pointed.
गुरुदेव ने कहा, देखो मैं
So Gurudev
मैं
told.
विदेश में
But
गए,
when I go to Western countries,
मंत्र दीक्षा आदि दिया,
when I give mantra diksha to everyone, to someone in their house,
दीक्षा मंत्र
those who took diksha Harinam in their house only,
केवल राधा
only Radha Krishna Mahaprabhu are there, only.
और कोई देव देवी के नहीं
No one demigod or demigoddesses.
इधर आकर के ब्रजवासी करते देखते वाली इनके
But sometimes they see the Vrajavasis also here in their house with so many deities, so like demigods, so they also imitate this there.
इसको क्या रखा?
And then I say, what is this? Then I correct them.
एकांतिकता
So you have to be one-pointed.
तो एकांतिक नहीं हो, भक्ति
If you're not
का
one-pointed, how can bhakti come?
वैशिष्ट क्या है?
What is the speciality of the Vaishnava, Vrajavasis? What is who is a Vrajavasi? They only know Govinda, no one else.
आप डरते हो कि नहीं डरते? ये देवी मैया के पास आना नहीं किया तो हमारे दुकान ठप हो
So
जाएगा।
you think, oh, if I don't worship Devi, Maya, Durga, my business will not be good.
गणेश जी का अभी 2-3 महीने ये आएगा ना, अभी क्या क्या
After
आएगा?
some time it will be the Ganesh day also, Ganesha.
अरे वो जिस समय जो गणेश पूजा देवी के पूजा,
When they worship Ganesha and Devi.
अरे नहीं नहीं अभी अभी जो हैं? हाँ भाई हैं? और क्या क्या करते रहते हैं?
And people do so many things.
एकांतिकता कहाँ मिले?
So how to be one-pointed? Like these Indians, generally they are not one-pointed.
भले कम लोग करे किंतु करे इसलिए मेरा कहने का
But in Western countries, less people will do worship of Radha Krishna, but they really do.
जितने भी तुम लालसा देखा वो नहीं आए। हम भी देखा कितने सुंदर सुंदर खाने की व्यवस्था आदि करते हैं।
I've seen how much nice food they arrange, nice place to sit. I'll tell you one story.
मैं एक बार जब गए विदेश में गए,
When I went to Western countries, I saw in the temple there was a big bed on the temple.
क्या बोले उल की जो है वो लगा हुआ है, उन है ना, वो क्या बोलते हैं मैट्रेस जो होता है,
There's a mattress. If you step on this mattress, your feet go 2 inches down because it's very fluffy, like soft. And a big like bed. I was thinking they came for listening Harikatha to sleep on the temple. Why this big bed and this big mattress? So when I sat in this big mattress, like a bed, like here you're sitting on the floor, there's a small mattress, very thin. But for them there was very nice arrangement of like a pillow and like all these things for sitting, and not so easy. I'll tell you one story also, another story. I think in France or another place I went. So it was arranged for 30 or 35 people to come also. But it was raining so much. So maybe only 10 or 15 people came. And I said, okay, the prasad was for 35 people, right? So, okay. But how many people came? 15 people came. So there was a lot of prasadam. But that Indian family came with 4 kids and 2 men and 2 ladies. So 8 or 10 people, Indian family came. We thought, okay, nice, because an Indian came, so they all sit down to listen to Harikatha. After the Harikatha, they stood up. We had only 5 or 10 minutes Harikatha left. So after the Harikatha, I told them, please sit down. We'll arrange prasad also to everyone. They told us, no, we came to the wrong place actually. Why? Actually, we wanted to go to that place that they make so many, they are playing, to the casino. We wanted to go to the casino actually, but there was a mistake, because just in the next building where the katha was going on, it was the casino. But the wind came and there was an arrow, like a sign pointing to the casino place. Because of the wind, the arrow of the sign changed direction, and then the sign changed because of the wind. So we came to the Harikatha instead, but our main goal actually was to go to the casino. Oh, the Hindi is frozen. Sorry, the Hindi, some problem in the Hindi broadcast. Where is he? He didn't come. So I gave him medicine and electro also I gave. I told, no need to listen to Harikatha, take rest. So don't eat anything here. Why? Because if he eats this, if he eats chili, he's not good for him to eat chili, isn't it? So in West, so they arrange so nice prasad and nice food in Western countries. But still, to gather 10 or more than 50 people is so difficult in Western countries. So Srila Swami Maharaj is saying, it's written, Maharaj, I came, but it's so hard to preach here. So I'm saying my preaching is not successful because I couldn't get any donation, not even one disciple. Because people in Western countries, they don't give donation. I did the Bhagavat Saptah, and I thought, people will give some donation here. I thought, at least
यहाँ पर जो केला
No,
बनाते हैं,
because we're distributing foods and so many things,
हम
food.
थोड़ी करते हैं। और कम से कम हमारे घड़ा में तो कुछ तो पड़ जाते हैं, 10-20 जो भी चढ़े।
Maybe a person will offer 10 or 20 things. Nobody offers any money because they don't have this samskara, these habits.
भागवत हुई, भागवत में
They had
कितने
for
पढ़ा?
7 days Bhagavad.
उसमें पढ़ा था, मुझे याद है,
I remember
45
we got only 45 and the Hindi is frozen. $45.
45 रुपया मानो आपको पता है।
$45 donation we got
चढ़ा दिया था।
that people offered.
7 दिन कोई चढ़ाता ही नहीं है।
Because 7 days nobody give donations, not so
यहाँ
easy.
पर तो कम से कम लोग सोचते, कुछ लोग
Here,
विचार रखते हैं।
some people here still think, no, I came to the temple, this saint. Ay,
कम से कम चढ़ा कर जाओ, क्योंकि ऐसे भी विचार
I'll
रखते
offer
हैं।
at least
बोले,
something.
नहीं, यहाँ पर खाना नहीं है, ये तो संत महात्मा खिलाना चाहिए।
No, I should not, I don't eat anything here because this is for the saints to eat.
इधर का लोग विचार रखते हैं, हमारे
People
भारत में विचार रखते
in
हैं।
India, so many people think,
दिया ही नहीं, और हम खा
I
करके
didn't
जाए, फिर
give
अगले जन्म में कुत्ते हो
any
गए।
money in this temple, and how will I take prasadam that is meant for the sadhus also in the next life? I'll have to be born as a dog.
तुम कहते हो अच्छा खा ले,
Because you eat very nice, okay,
किंतु उसको लेना क्या करना पड़ेगा?
but if you didn't give anything,
साधु सेवा नहीं करके,
if you didn't serve the sadhus, just took something, and you think, oh, you are a sadhu, this food's for you. No, if you come to the temple, you have to give something. This is in Indian culture.
मंदिर में आओ,
If you come to the temple,
चढ़ा करके जाओ।
you have to offer something.
भगवान जी ने दिया,
If God gave you, if God didn't give you, no problem. This is true.
1 रुपया चढ़ा करके जाओ,
At least
चढ़ा
give
करके जाओ।
1 rupee
जाते हैं कि नहीं?
or more. You have to give something.
अरे कम से कुछ नहीं, एक तुलसी पत्ता चढ़ा
At
करके
least
जाओ।
offer a tulsi leaf.
हैं? विदेश में उनके तो यही संस्कार
But
है।
in Western countries, they don't have this habit.
बिल्कुल सब कैसे दान चांद है सब।
Everybody's danchan, like a
दान चांद है।
miser.
दान की कथा सुनाते हो ना, इस बार भागवत में सुनाते
The
हैं।
story of danchan. That's why I tell this story.
ऐसा नहीं, वो बहुत कंजूस था।
He was very miser person.
इसलिए लोग उसके नाम रख
So
दिया
that's
दान
why
चांद।
people used to call him danchan. He wouldn't give any money, but he was actually very rich.
कुछ लोगों की ऐसी वृत्ति है,
Some people have this tendency, they don't use money for themselves, not for others.
हैं? और फाटा फूटा कपड़ा भी पहनते हैं।
And he used
हैं?
to use very torn and worn out clothes.
साधु संत कुछ नहीं करते।
At least give some money for sadhus for the temple. No. So people jokingly used to call him danchan, which is the opposite.
उसके पीछे से लोग ऐसे
So when he used to walk, people behind him used to say, oh, in the next life after death, you will be born as a snake. Why?
वो तो तुम्हारे साथ में नहीं जाएगा, और उसी पैसे को रक्षा करने के लिए तुमको क्या बनना पड़ेगा?
Because you are not using all this money, and to protect this money you have, in the next life you will be born as a snake, just to protect your
जितने भी ज्ञान वैराग्य
your money.
से कुछ नहीं होता है।
So those who are miser, you can say again Varaga Kata, it does not change anything for them.
होता है ना, उसके जितने भी ज्ञान वैराग्य कथा सुना, उसे कुछ नहीं होता है।
Nothing, like no any change in their life.
दानचांद।
So people used to call him Danchan.
आंख नहीं है, उसे कमलोचन कहते हैं ना।
Like it was actually ironic name, because like just like if a person is blind and you call him Kamala Lochana, like lotus-eyed person.
में सब लोग जा रहे हैं,
So everybody goes for taking shower in the Ganga.
टाइम हो गया।
Time finished. Okay, just 5 minutes more.
उनके पति बोले,
So his wife told,
आज गंगा सागर, गंगा में
go
जाकर स्नान
take
करके
shower in the Ganga. Sorry, not shower, bath. No, bathing in the Ganga. So Danchana said, I'll not go,
वहाँ पर तीर्थ में जाओ,
because if I go
पुरोहित तो क्या बोलेंगे, दान
If I go to the Tirtha, the Brahmanas, they will ask me donation.
साधु से भी दान लेना चाहते हैं। साधु से भी साधु एक एक करके भिक्षा करके भगवान की सेवा करना चाहते हैं, और ब्राह्मण लोग क्या करते हैं, बस साधु से भी लौट करके ली जाए, क्या करोगे?
So
बाल
the
बच्चा पैदा करोगे और उसकी ही खिलाओगे।
Brahmanas, they are taking donation even from sadhu. This is not proper. I have to tell the truth, because the sadhus.
महाराज हमारे बेटी के शादी के लिए
Oh, Maharaj,
पैसा दो,
and it's
बच्चा पैदा करोगे और
and-
साधु तरह
the Brahmanas. They have babies and they want the money from the sadhu to marry your daughter. Do you think the sadhu came from there? The sadhus got donations from the people to serve gods.
पैदा करते हो,
You give babies. You have babies. You have family, and you think that the sadhu.
संसार छोड़ करके आए हैं,
And the sadhu left everything. He left all the family.
और ठीक क्या मैंने पैसा उल्टे तरफ जाए।
And then you want that the money comes opposite way, like that the sadhus give you money.
ब्राह्मण ने तो दे दिया, चलो।
But okay, you are Brahman, I'll give you something. I'll give you some money. Okay, take this.
कम्बल ले जा,
Take this blanket, this cloth, take. No problem.
में भगवान तुम्हें जन्म दिया, तो अगले जन्म में कुछ
God made you be born in the dham, okay, I'll give you some donation, but next life you'll not be able to get this opportunity again. So in the same way, Danchan was thinking, if I go to the Tirtha, sacred place, the Brahmanas will like they grab me and they'll try to take money from me. Then the wife told him, at least try to go there, you know, and take bath in the Ganga. And the Ganga was 25 kilometers far from his house. So he didn't want to use the money for rickshaw or anything, because he didn't use money for nothing. So he just went walking. He also didn't take any money with him. And then there were 1,000 people taking bath in the Ganga. So he saw a place where there was not so much people. Like his wife told, go to take bath in a place which is like a lonely place. So there was a place in Ganga. There were only some dogs. It was a place where they used to cremate, to burn the bodies. Cremation of the body. So nobody's body was being cremated that day, but so he went there, and then he went and to take a bath in the Ganga. So he went 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, like diving inside the river, like diving in the river, bathing. And then a Brahmana came, saying, "Oh, I live here in this place in the river where they burn the bodies, cremation place." The Brahmana told, my wife is about to give birth to a baby, so I need a cow for some milk. So I want I think I couldn't, like 50,000 rupees or 25,000, I couldn't. Then, I will not give this donation. Okay, so 11,000 rupees. No, I'll not give this. The Brahmanas, they insist until you give. This was like 11,000, 1,000, 100 rupees, insisting that he'll give something. The Brahmana said, okay, if you don't want to give donation, then at least take some donation, something with you. What? Take some loan. If you don't want to give anything, you can take a loan from me, and then later you give me this money back. If you say, oh Maharaj, I don't have money, okay, at least offer 1 rupee and later you take this back. So it's like a loan. So he thought, okay, the Brahmana will not stop insisting. Danchan thought. So he said, okay. So at that time the money was kana, like another kind of a currency. So, or another kind of how to call the money in India. So he gave like 1 cent of rupee. And at that time there was not Google GPS system that you can. Now you have Google in your mobile. Google Baba tells you where to go, like how to reach to the places. You know the sat nav, satellite navigation. So, but that time I was not there. So Danchan just took bath and went back to his house, thinking the Brahman will never come to my house. Just take this money back. So he was whole day without eating, and his wife gave him food. The food actually was dry roti because he wouldn't spend money on nice food. So then the Brahmana came and knocked on his door. The wife opened the door. Is it the house of Danchan? Yes. Oh, what? He took a loan from me. I came to take this money back. Then the wife told the husband, oh, did you take a loan from someone? Oh, yes, the Brahmana was insisting, and I told him that I'll take loan as 1 cent. What? The Brahmana came here so quick just to take 1 cent back? Yes. Danchan was thinking, what can I do? He told his wife, do one thing. Go and tell him that Danchan is sick. His wife also agreed. She came and told, oh, my husband Danchan is sick. The Brahmana said, what? Look, I am a Brahmana. I am the Purohit. He's like the priest. And your husband is like my Jajaman. He's my sponsor. Like he's doing something. I'm doing something for him. Like this. So he's like my son, and I'm his priest. For him. So I'm like his father. He's like my son. I cannot leave this house because he's sick. If my son doesn't get better, I'll not leave this place. I'm a Brahmana, don't worry, I don't eat a lot. Just give me fruits, 2 or 4 bananas, And so for apples,
दे देना बस।
it's enough.
तो कह रहे जो आप जाने नहीं कह रहे, बोले जब तक मैं आप ठीक नहीं हो गए तब तक ये बोले हमें फलाहार करो।
Then the wife told him, husband, back, oh, he said he was here waiting for you to recover. And he just want fruits. And then man was thinking, Danchan, wow, but fruits are so expensive.
मर गए।
Then husband told wife, go there and say that your husband died. Danchan died.
पत्नी बोले कैसे बोलते?
The wife said, well, how can I say this? Don't worry.
मैं बिल्कुल यदि अंदर में भी आ जाए,
If he comes inside, don't worry, I'll just hold my breath and I'll pretend that like I'm dead.
बोले मर गया तो कौन किसको दिन देता?
Because if somebody died, how can the person pay the debt back? Isn't it? Pay the.
पत्नी आकर के रोने लगे, बोले
Then the wife also agreed. She came crying, saying, "Oh, my husband Danchan, he died."
मेरा बेटा मर गया।
What?
और दानचांद
Your husband died.
ब्राह्मण तो साधारण ब्राह्मण नहीं था।
But the Brahman was also not ordinary. He said, "Okay, I'll go from village to village very quickly, and I'll tell that Danchan died." So he told Danchan, the Brahmana told everywhere in the village that Danchan died, and all the villagers, they came and they saw that Danchan, actually he was really like holding his breath, pretending he was dead. And the main people of the village said, oh, let's bring him quick to cremation, for cremation. Wife told, oh, no, he's alive, don't do that. Then the people told the wife, you're so attached to your husband. He's holding his breath. No, you are too much attached. Ladies are so much attached. Let's take him for cremation. So they put the woods for cremation and put the body on top. But that Brahman was not ordinary. He told to all the villagers, go away. He's my son. I will burn his body. So everybody stay afar. Go away. And then the Brahmana told, Danchan, I'm not a Brahmana. Look, I am directly Bhagavan. Brahma and so many demigods, they are eager to have my darshan. You took bath in the Ganga, and you are ready to die for 1 cent because of 1 cent. Open your eyes and see. I'm Bhagavan. Take the darshan of my four-armed form. Danchan was thinking, oh yeah, maybe he's Bhagavan. So when he opened his eyes, he again saw the same Brahman. He didn't see the Bhagavan's form or anything. He saw the same Brahman. So he shut his eyes very quickly. And again the Brahman was saying, look, I'm God, look at me. I'm Bhagavan. Saying many times again and again. Then Danchan opened his eyes. And then Bhagavan told, hey Danchan, I was able to defeat many great demons. But someone like you, I couldn't do anything about you. You're ready to die because of 1 cent, and you don't want to give 1 cent in donation. Okay, but you took bath a bath in the Ganga, so you can ask for any donation, ask for something. I give you my words. So what do you want? Tell me. So Danchan told, Prabhu, you are Bhagavan, you are God. So please be merciful and deliver me from this debt. This 1 cent that I took loan from you, please just deliver me from this debt. So Bhagavan could give him anything, but this man only asked for being free from the debts of 1 cent. Yes, brother. So I tell, because not easy to preach in Western countries. From thousands of people, if 1 person does bhajan and follows the 4 principles and comes to bhakti, is not easy for 1 person to follow 4 principles and do bhajan. Because they don't have this samskara from birth. So to change their impressions, their samskara is not easy. So Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj, in this context, and also Gurudev Shanarayan Goswami Maharaj preached it, and he changed the samskara of 1,000 people. To change the life habits of 1 person is not easy, and make this person to follow bhajan is not easy. Jai Dev. Okay, Jai Sri Gurudev ki Jai. I'll come back to the beginning. Gurudev was speaking in the beginning about just first line, I think 2 minutes. We lost the translation. I'll translate now, those who want to know.
Vedanta श्री नारायण गोस्वामी महाराज के अभय चरण कमलों में अनंत कोटि साष्टांग दंडवत ज्ञापन करता हूँ। तत्पश्चात नित्य लीला प्रविष्टम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर शतमान भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी महाराज एवं गुरुगुंज एवं समस्त वैष्णव विष्णु के
So my obeisances to my Gurudev, South Guru, Rupanu Guru Varga, everybody accept my pranams please according to your level. Again and again I offer my pranams. So today is such a beautiful day.
You came? Midday came or not? Midday you came?
You came midday. Gurudev is asking the devotee.
You did not go back Vrindavan?
I go back.
When?
I don't know after your class.
No, you return back Vrindavan? No.
Yeah, return back to that.
You went or just to come back?
I just come here. Yeah, and I go back Vrindavan.
Oh.
Everybody leaving on Govardhan already. What everybody doing?
No, everybody is going to Vrindavan.
So you giving class now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Small class.
I found now Taruni Gopi translating.
Okay. ওটা ওই দিকটা খুলে দাও, ওদের খুলে দাও সব। হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, আর কোনো দরকার নেই। আবার কি? আচ্ছা রাখো। आज हमारे गुरुपाद विष्णुपाद
is the disappearance of our Gurupada Padmantali Pravistam Vishnupada Sutara Shata Shila Bhakti Vedanta.
Shila Vamana Goswami
Maharaj, his Tirubhavtiti.
Nityalabhana Bhakti Vedanta Shila Trivikram Goswami Maharaj.
Also Shila Trivikram Goswami Maharaj disappears and Nitya Pravistam Vishnupada Sutara Shata Shila Bhakti Vedanta.
Shila साईं महाराज आज तीनों महाभागवत के जो है तिरुभाव दिखाई पड़ा.
So today is the disappearance of these three great Mahabhagavats. So early in the morning you've listened about the life history of these three great Mahabhagavats.
उनके जीवन वैशिष्ट्य लीला कथा आप लोगों ने श्रवण किया.
You've listened about the speciality of their life and their contribution. So I just want to speak two words about the life history of Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj. I want to present in front of you his life history.
शिला भक्ति सिद्धांत भक्तिवेदांत स्वामी महाराज, उनके गृहस्थ नाम थे अभय चरण.
The name of Grihastha of Srila Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj was Abhay Charan De.
और बहुत धनी व्यक्ति भी थे.
He was a very
विद्वान और धनी व्यक्ति.
He was a knowledge and scholar person, also very rich. So that's why in Bengal he used to be called Abhay Babu. People used to call him how? Abhay Babu.
बंगाल में
in Bengal,
जो सामान्य जो व्यक्ति
a person who is very respectable, they use Babu to call to this person.
अभय बाबू.
So he was called Abhay Babu.
और उन्होंने भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती प्रभुपाद से जो है
And he took a Diksha from and Harinam from Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada.
और बड़े बिजनेसमैन भी थे.
And he was a great businessman.
उनकी एक जीवन कथा पृथ्वी में जो वर्ल्ड फेमस जो कवि पोइट क्या नाम?
So from here on we are already translating. So I'll just end here.